Thank you. God bless you.
As you can see, the rust here is extensive. We're looking at a full frame-off restoration just to get started.
First step, we got to get all this loose scale off before we can even think about welding.
We've categorized the panels clearly. These are bad, completely rusted out, but luckily we have the replacements right here.
The mechanic begins by carefully prying the decades-old panel away, revealing the extent of the corrosion within the door cavity.
And there it goes. With the main bolt finally free, we can focus on pulling the wheel from the column. It's really on there. Well, that's the last of the old interior. Definitely beyond repair.
Organization is key to a successful restoration. Here, Mechanic 1 carefully labels the ignition and fuel pump.
The hoist is attached. Now we carefully lift the engine clear of the chassis. Watch the mounts. that took a little rotor is finally off. As you can see, the corrosion on this cross member is extensive. We're gonna have to reinforce this entire section before we move forward.
The first step is always the most satisfying. Blasting away years of grime reveals the bones of this beast.
And just like that, the sandblasting is complete. Look at this bare metal, it's absolutely pristine. We're ready for the next step. The key here is ensuring full coverage on the welds. Any pinholes and you risk rust returning down the line.
This layer of filler ensures a perfectly smooth surface before we move on to priming.
We use the ruler to find the imperfections. It's critical to get these panels straight before any filler goes on. Using the ratchet here to get the new hinge secured to the frame. A tight fit is essential for alignment.
The painter is laying down the first layer of primer now. This smooth coat is essential for a flawless finish on the monster truck. After the primer is applied, we meticulously sand the surface to ensure a flawless finish before the final coat.
Okay, easy now, we're almost there.
Hold it right there.
Yep, that's seated, nice work. just like that, after months of work, the big V8 roars back to life. A beautiful sound.
Here you can see the incredible before and after. The truck went from scrap heap to showstopper.
Listen to that engine purr. All that hard work finally paid off.